getting people to watch your YouTube channel can be taxing, right? Coming up with, video ideas, coming up with, thumbnails, coming up with, the video to put out. And at the end of the day, you see that you are not actually growing the video, like nobody is subscribing, nobody is watching, your watch hour is just going down the drain. It can be a hell lot of things, right? So on this video, I will be sharing with you some of the mistakes that we make as small YouTubers, because yes, I am a small YouTuber, right? So I'll be sharing with you some of the mistakes that we make as small YouTubers that we do not know, and actually how you can actually solve these mistakes, right? I'm also going to be sharing with you questions that you actually need to always ask yourself before you create videos and put out here on YouTube, so that you can actually meet the goal that you want to actually meet. Now, if this is of interest to you, make sure you watch this video to the end. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace and I'm super excited that you are watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and don't forget to like this video at the end of the day. So let's get into it. All the mistakes that you are actually making as small business owner or as small YouTubers is, number one, we are doing things that big creators are doing. Yes guys, now in as much as we go on those big creators platform to actually search for what they are doing, maybe to get ideas of what is trending, right? We are not supposed to come on our own small platform and do exactly the same thing. Yes guys, you are not supposed to do exactly the same thing, because you do not have exactly subscribed people, or because you do not have the exact people that will help you push that video out there. So let's say, for instance, a big YouTuber is using a particular topic. Now, in as much as that topic is going viral, in as much as that thumbnail is going viral, you want to also note that there are three people, or there are three types of viewers that will actually cause your videos to go viral. Now, we have the new subscribers or the new viewers, we have the returning viewers, and we also have viewers that are like fans, right? So now the new viewers do not actually know you, and they are coming to your channel for the first time, right? So you doing exactly what the big YouTubers are doing, that it might not make sense to them, right? So if they are returning subscribers or returning viewers, then you know that because they have seen a video of yours before, and they are returning to see another one, there is a good chance for them to actually watch your videos, right? Then if they are your fans, of course that video goes well, because they like everything about you. That is what fans are about, right? So you want to make sure that when you are copying from the big YouTubers, you're very careful of what you copy from them, right? Now, so one of the things that we do as small YouTubers that these big YouTubers have done is we create thriller videos, right? Now, these thriller videos are videos that our subscribers, our new viewers actually see when they come on our channel. Now, you want to make sure that this thriller video is something that talks about you and your channel and tells the new viewer, to want to join the family, right? Now, one thing we do is we create this videos because the big YouTuber has actually said that we should actually create it. For me, on this video, on this channel, what I did was actually to use a video that has actually gone viral to create as my own thriller video. So when people come on this channel for the first time, one of the videos that they tend to see is the make money on WhatsApp video. Why? Because that video has been the video that is getting traction on my channel, right? So when they come to see that video, and if it is something that is of interest to them, they would want to see other videos, right? So that is one thing you want to do. Your thriller video should be one of your videos that has actually gone viral. Now, if you are 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, there is one of your videos that has gotten more than 100 views, right? Videos that have gotten like 200 views, 300 views, 500 views. Those videos you can actually use as your own thriller video. So that is one of the mistakes that you are doing that you should not be. One of the mistakes that you should not be doing as a small YouTuber. The second mistake The second mistake that you are doing as a small YouTuber is having an intro at the beginning of your video. Guys, nobody knows you, right? Anybody that is coming to watch your video is coming to get value, is coming to learn a particular thing. So before you go with your intro, you want to make sure that you are getting them to watch your video first. So the first 30 seconds actually get someone to want to know if they will continue watching your videos or not. And that is why when you go back to this video, you will see the way I actually started it, right? I did not start with welcome guys, how are you doing, make sure you subscribe. No, instead I actually told you exactly what this video is about, after which I introduced myself. But for some, it is even advisable that you actually introduce yourself at the end of the video. That way people get value first, then they can subscribe when you ask them to subscribe. So introducing yourself at the beginning of your video is one thing you don't want to do, because that is not the reason the viewers are watching your video. They are actually watching to get value, so you want to give them the value first before you get them to subscribe. That way you get them to subscribe instead of just watching and going away. So that is another mistake that you are doing that you don't want to do anymore. The mistake that you will be doing, or that you are doing that you should not be doing, is not having a thumbnail on your channel. Yes, I've seen people actually put out videos and they don't have any thumbnail that talks about what the video is about. Like hell, how do we know exactly what your video is about? Now you must understand that your thumbnail is one of the things that people will definitely see before they come to watch that video that you have put out, right? So if your thumbnail is able to catch them, if your topic is able to catch them, when I mean topic, I mean title, of course, if it's able to get their attention, then definitely they are going to watch your video for longer, right? So you want to make sure that you have a thumbnail that appeals to your audience. You want to also have topics that appeals to your audience. Remember, there are different levels of viewers, the new ones, the ones that are returning to watch, and the fans already. So how do you attract new people to your channel? That is what you want to consider before you put out a video. Another thing you want to ask yourself is, how do you have people to return to watch, on your channel, right? That is another thing you want to think about. And then how do you have your fans to continue to enjoy your videos? So having these three viewers in mind will actually help you to put out the right kind of video that will resonate with them. Fourth mistake that you are making, that you shouldn't be making any further, is using sub for sub. Hey guys, in as much as you want to actually increase your subscribers, in as much as you want people to subscribe to you, you want people to actually watch your videos, you want people to, love your channel and love you, doing sub for sub is a killer disease when it comes to YouTubing. Yes guys, if you want to kill your videos or your channel faster, then you should continue with the route of sub for sub, right? Then if you don't want, then you want to stay off sub for sub, because most people that comes to your channel through sub for sub do not actually watch your videos. Right? They do not watch your videos. Instead, they just subscribe. And I said right here on this channel, I think I did a video where I talked about people, I did not do sub for sub, but I think the video that got traction actually attracted a lot of people to the channel, that some people were actually, clicking and subscribing without watching the videos. And at the end of the day, YouTube actually took down those subscribers, right? So the subscribers was actually taken out, because they do featuring, right? So you want to make sure that people that are coming to your channel are people that are ready to watch your videos, people that are ready to actually do, what you want them to do. They resonate with the topic, they resonate to what we are talking about, because at the end of the day, you want to make money on this channel, right? So you want to make sure that you are getting the right set of people to actually come on your channel, subscribe to your channel, watch your videos, and also you can make money off them at the end of the day, right? So sub for sub is a no-no when it comes to having a YouTube channel that is healthy and also will want to get monetized. Another mistake you are doing is not using tags, not using hashtag on your videos, right? That is another thing that might be causing people not to actually subscribe to your videos or subscribe to your channel or get views on a particular videos, because people are not actually seeing it. It is not being pushed out there. So one thing you want to understand is that tags, hashtags, in as much as you're not supposed to use a lot of it, you should be able to impute it in all of your videos so that YouTube gets to know that this is what this video is about, and they can actually get it out to people that will need that video at the end of the day, right? So that is one thing you want to actually do. Now these things are mistakes that we are doing, and you want to make sure that you are no more doing any of this. So let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you are making and which of these you will be correcting going forward. Now guys, the question you need to ask yourself before you put out any videos out there is, who are the people you want to watch this video? Yes guys, before you put out any video, right, you want to ask yourself, what are the people that you are looking at watching this video? Because that is one way you can actually put out a video that will resonate with people, right? Who are the people that you want to watch this video? Who are the people that you want to subscribe to your channel? What are they interested in, right? What are they interested in? That is another question you want to ask yourself, because when you know what they are interested in, it will help you create videos that will, that will resonate with them, and they will want to come and watch. Even your returning subscribers or your returning viewers, people would want to come back to your channel to watch your video because you know exactly what they want to watch. Remember, YouTube is a search engine, and people come on YouTube to actually search for things. So if you don't know what people will search about as it relates to you and what you do on YouTube, then you are just creating videos and putting it out there waiting for luck to shine on you, right? But if you ask yourself these questions rightly and give the right answers to it, you will be able to create videos that will get people to actually watch at the end of the day, and they will subscribe, and your watch hour is also increasing, your views is increasing, and you are getting the goal at which you actually created the YouTube channel in the first place. So the first question you want to ask yourself is, who are the video for, right? And the next question you want to ask yourself is, what do they actually want to watch? Right? What do they actually want to watch? The third question you want to always ask yourself when it comes to YouTubing or putting out videos on YouTube is, what is the pain point, right? Where are they right now and where do they want to be? So if you know where your viewers or subscribers are right now, you will know the video to put that will, take them to where they want to be. So let's say your channel is for business owners, and you know that business owners are struggling with customers, right? Getting customers. One of the videos that you should be putting out is how to get customers, or how to increase customers, or how to get more sales, or how to get people to always buy from you, right? Because you already know that the people that are supposed to be on your channel or that are supposed to watch your videos are business owners. So take it down to your own channel. What exactly are these people? Where exactly are these people right now, and where exactly do they want to be? Now if you give answers to all of these questions, then very well, you will be creating videos that resonate with people. You will be creating videos that people are coming to search on YouTube. Now there are different ways people come on YouTube to search. This you can find in your YouTube studio, right? If you go on your YouTube studio, you will find out how people actually get to see your videos. One is browse, one is feature, one is suggested, right? So if these three ways are ways that you should actually optimize your videos to be actually seen by people. You want people to be browsing wanting to see your video, you want your videos to be suggested to people, you want your videos to be featured on people's other videos, right? This way you are going to get more traction to your video, you're going to get more views, you're going to get more subscribers to your own channel. So guys, if you have gotten value on this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumb up, make sure you share also, and don't forget, guys, let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes are you making, and which of these would you be doing going forward? I will see you again on another video. Before I go, I want you to look at this video up here, right? Make sure you watch this video, and I will see you right there.